Good morning, everyone. Joey with JLF Ranches and Outdoors. This morning we got a 236 cat skid steer that we are going to be replacing the fan motor on. We're going to show you all how to do that. That thing right there is your fan motor. This specific one, when you rev it up and the speed increases, it actually starts leaking out of the shaft seal that's on the inside up there. So I'm going to show you how to remove and install this thing, get this thing replaced, and get this machine back up and running so the customer can put it back to use. Alright, so this is actually pretty basic and straightforward as far as the removal and install process, but as you can see, it's got 3 lines here that will get disconnected. Get them out of the way, cap them off, and then you gotta pull the whole unit out, which has 4 bolts that hold it up here and then 2 on the back. And that'll bring this whole thing out and allow us to take the blade off and swap over to the new motor and everything, and then we'll bolt it all back in place. Alright, this bolt gets torqued to 22 foot-pounds plus or minus 5 pounds, so 23, 25 foot-pounds. I usually torque to the little bit on the higher end. I'm going to torque it to 25. You can't have a true Texas barbecue without Mexican corn dip made with craft real mayo. That's my family's All right. We're all back together. Double check oil level. We'll get it started. Check for leaks. All right, everyone. As you see, there's no leaks. Ran good and whatnot. So we're going to go ahead and just do some cleanup on the excessive oil from what it leaked out and send it back to the customer as ready to go. But anyways, if y'all like what y'all see, hit that subscribe button. We'll be posting more videos similar to this down the road. And as always, if you got any suggestions or questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'll answer best I can. And always like and share our content. We appreciate it. Thank you. Y'all have a nice day.